Good morning. It is a beautiful morning.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
I can never sleep past 6 a.m. on farm days. I try to sleep in and I just can't do it. We got up at 6 this morning. We took the dogs on a walk like we do every morning, and now I'm going to make some food for our bees. It's getting into the fall time. What we do in the fall is we do a 2-to-1 ratio instead of the spring 1-to-1 ratio for the bee food. For every 2 parts sugar, you'll add 1 part water. Right here I've got 64 ounces of sugar, so now I'll add 32 ounces of water. As the bee food cools, it'll become clearer, and then we'll go ahead and give it to the bees once it's completely room temperature. Let's go check on my chickens. Hey y'all, good morning. Let's do a little roll call, okay? Bernice, Louise, Cricket, Magnolia, Reba, Clementine, Clarabelle, Scarlet, Lou all the way there in the back. The gang's all here. I cannot believe I just did this. I did roll call and I almost forgot Priscilla. Let me show y'all Priscilla. Hey girl, you working hard in there, Priscilla? Being shy today? All right. Food check. Good morning to the hardest workers on our farm. How are y'all doing today? I really do love sitting here and watching the bees just buzz around. Good morning, sweet boy. How are you? So sweet. What you doing today? You wanna have some fun today? What you gonna do, Scout? It's farm time!
We got a couple branches on our fruit trees that have seemed to be breaking because of all the fruit that's the tree is producing. The branches aren't that established. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a piece of wood and I'm gonna cut a little notch in it, and then I'll nail it to the stakes, that way it can hold up the branches. While I'm doing that, Bella's gonna head over to the end of the driveway and trim the weeds because they're getting pretty tall.
Basically all of this right here, just at the entrance of our driveway. I'm not gonna go too far with it. I just kind of wanted to trim back, make it look a little bit nicer. In a few weeks, it's the opening day of archery season, so we decided we're gonna go ahead and put up our stand. Better late than never.
That's right.